Here we are 15 weeks in to this flooding situation. Did some measurements yesterday, or day before yesterday, about the affected area. I had originally stated a long time ago that the damage was probably in the 12,000 square foot area. It's been remeasured now. Damage to my property at this point is 21,000 square feet. As you can see, the problem has done nothing but get worse. You can see the water just pooling everywhere. The next door neighbor's property has now been measured. Her damage has been measured at 20,000 square feet. Originally, the damage was figured to be just on this side, but it's actually gone under the driveway. The driveway is starting to crack now, and started falling off this side of the hill. So you can see where it's all pooled on her property. There's just no let up in sight to this. This is all from the runoff from the neighbor's lawn that he's forced over to my side by way of pipes. Swales, berms, anything he can do to get the water off his property and put it onto mine. If you were to walk over on his property, you'd see that there's no water there at all. It's all here. He's forced it all here. So that's 15 weeks now. Just updating. Thanks for watching.